What if I told you that the company that made your favorite wool snackers is now building AI supercomputers, and that uh, the company behind your AI image generator just build a body scanner? Yeah, today's AI updates is hinge in the best possible way. Welcome back to the channel. I am covering 6 AI updates today that you genuinely need to know about. Let's get into it. Okay, so first up, the 2020 right, prediction is gaining serious momentum. Ray Caswell, the famous futuristic at Google, has been saying since 199 that AI will match human level intelligence by 2020 right. For decades, people called him crazy, but now experts are starting to agree, right? A 2022 poll of global AI researchers put the date around 2030. Elon Musk went further. He publicly said AI will be smarter than all humans combined by 2029, right? NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang echoed a similar timeline, and a major 2025 report said early AGI like systems, right, could emerge as soon as 26 to 28, right. We are 3 years away from a date that some of the smartest people on the planet are circling, right. Whether you believe it not or it yes, right. Things are moving faster than anyone expected, right. Okay, uh, this one is genuinely wild. Allbirds, you know, the sustainable wool snackers brand that become Silicon Valley's unofficial shoes, right? They just sold their entire footwear business for 39 million and are now pivoting to AI compute infrastructure, right? The company announced 50 million financial deal and said it's rebranding as New Bird AI with a plan to become a GPU as a service cloud provider. And guess what? The stock jumped over 580% the day that they made announcement, right? As of June 17th, they have even changed their legal name to Smartbirds Inc. and hired a new CEO with a background in AI supercomputers. Right. So the shoes are gone and the wool is gone. Right. So the sustainable mission also gone. It's just AI now. And honestly, the internet reaction was extremely what you'd expect. Uh, is this satire? Right. Okay. AR glasses are back, and this time they might actually work. XREAL just formally announced their Aura XR glasses at the Augmented World Expo 2026, running on Google's Android XR platform and powered by Gemini AI. Right? Here's what makes this different. It's not just a screen strapper to your face. These glasses features a 70-degree wide field of view display, hand tracking across all 3 dimensions, and Google built right in. So the AI can see what you see, right? Hear what you hear, and actually help you in real time through voice commands, right. They are built on Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon Reality Elite chip, which enabled local AI processing directly on the device. Price is under $1,500, launching in fall 2026 across the US, UK, Canada, Japan, and South Korea. Meta has dominating smart glasses, but XREAL is coming for that market, and Google's Gemini gives them a serious weapon. Okay. Okay, if you are use any Adobe product, pay attention, because this changes everything about your workflow. Adobe just announced a massive expansion of its AI agent, the Firefly AI assistant, across Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Illustration, InDesign, and Frame.io, starting as a public beta on June 18th. What does that mean in practice? You describe what you want in plain language, like create a cinematic color grade on this footage, or remove the background and add a gradient. And AI agents handle the entire multi-step workflow across multi apps in all in one conversation. Yes, Adobe is positioning this as a single AI layer that connects every stage of creative process, from brainstorming all the way to final output. They are calling it agentic creation, and for creators who spend hours navigating menus and sliders, this genuinely is a big deal. It's in beta now, so go and try it. Okay, this one has a name that sounds like a Marvel villain, right? The Spokes. His backstory, back in early, when Anthropic launched Cloud Cowork, a site of AI agents that can handle entire business workflows in sales, legals, finance, and HRs. Wall Street absolutely panicked. Nearly $2 trillion was wiped off uh, software company valuation in weeks. Salesforce down 40%, Adobe down 45%. Traders at Jeffrey literally coined the terms SaaSpo scaps, right? The fear, if AI agents can do all the work, companies won't need to pay for software seats anymore. The entire per seat SaaS pricing model, which has powered the software industry for 20 years, could be finished. Dario Amodei, Anthropic CEO, predicted AI could displace half of all entry level white collar jobs in 5 years. Ironically, the product his own company built triggered the panic, whether it's overblown or not. Investors are voting with their money, and the SaaS industry is being forced to evolve fast, right? Okay, and finally, the story nobody show coming. Midjourney. Midjourney, the AI image generator company, just announced their first ever hardware product, and it is not another image model. It is a full body medical scanner. They launched a new division called Midjourney Medical on June 17. Here's how it works. You lie on a platform that lower you into a shallow pool of water at 2 inches per second. You pass through a ring packed with 500,000 ultrasonic sensors. Those sensors fire sounds waves through your body from every angle, generating terabytes of data per second, and compute clusters reconstruct all of it into detailed 3D map of your muscles, your organs, bones, and fat. No radiation, no MRI magnet, and and the target is under 60 seconds. CEO David Hose said on the stage in San Francisco, No such device ever been built until now. The company is even planning to open a Midjourney spa in San Francisco with hot tubs, cold plungers, and 10 of these scanners by end of 27. They want a billion scans per month by 2031. Even Elon Musk replies to the announcement with just cool, right? From text to image to scanning inside your body, Midjourney just changed the entire game, right? Okay, so that's your 6 AI updates today. From AGI timeline to shoe companies become AI companies, smart glasses, photos of agents, a market crash, and a body scanner that sounds like science fiction but is very real, right? Okay, so if this was useful, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe, you don't miss to tomorrow updates, and drop comment which story surprised you most. We will meet you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching till the end, and thank you so much. Bye bye.